Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Google Chrome random redirects. So guys, if this ever happened to you, what you could try to do first is if it's occurring on a specific website and it does not occur on the other website, it means that the website have the problem, not your computer. Now, another option that you could try is select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and you will have your extensions, and here select manage extensions. Now here, sometimes if you have an extension downloaded into your Chrome, sometimes some extensions have a malware, so it's best to remove your extensions or just simply turn them off and just simply observe if the extension is the problem. If it doesn't, you could do a reset into your Chrome. By doing that, select the three dots, go through the settings over here, and then go for the privacy and security tab on the left side, and then go ahead and go for the delete browsing data. So to fix this, make sure to select these two over here and select delete data, and mostly this can fix your issue. If it doesn't, select more over here and make sure that it is on all time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.